Have you ever wondered, how is Earth, our home, formed? Let's travel back 4.6 billion years to witness the miraculous birth of the blue planet. In the vast cosmic dance, a swirling cloud of dust and gas, the solar nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. This immense cosmic ballet gave birth to our sun, igniting a star that would illuminate our future. As the sun blazed, leftover debris collided and coalesced, forming the rocky planets. Our early Earth was a fiery inferno, a molten world constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. Then, a colossal impact with a Mars-sized object, Theia, dramatically reshaped our world, creating the Moon. This cataclysmic event set the stage for Earth's incredible transformation. Over millions of years, the molten surface cooled, volcanic activity spewed gases, and endless rains filled the basins, forging the first oceans. A magnetic field emerged, shielding our nascent atmosphere from the harsh solar winds. This protective embrace allowed life to eventually flourish. From a chaotic fireball to the vibrant blue planet, Earth's journey is truly epic. Subscribe to uncover more incredible origins. It all began with a giant cloud of dust and gas in space, called the solar nebula. Under gravity, tiny particles collided, clumped together, giving birth to the sun and the planets, including Earth. This immense cosmic cloud, the solar nebula, began to collapse under its own immense gravity. As it collapsed, it started to spin faster and faster, flattening into a vast, rotating disk. At the very center of this swirling disk, immense pressure and heat built up. This intense compression ignited the protosun, a nascent star, blazing with incredible energy. Further out in the disk, dust and gas particles continued to collide and stick together. These growing clumps, called planetesimals, gradually swept up more material. Over millions of years, these planetesimals grew larger and larger, eventually forming the planets we know today. This incredible process, driven by gravity and countless collisions, sculpted our solar system from a chaotic cloud into an organized cosmic dance. About 4.6 billion years ago, early Earth was a blazing hot fireball, its atmosphere filled with toxic gases, its surface constantly bombarded by asteroids. It was not a place where life could exist. This period, known as the Hadean Eon, was characterized by unimaginable extremes. The entire surface of our planet was a churning, molten magma ocean, glowing with intense heat. Volcanism was rampant, constantly erupting and releasing vast quantities of gases, forming a dense, suffocating atmosphere. And then there was the late heavy bombardment, a relentless barrage of asteroids and comets. These impacts reshaped the planet, creating immense craters and further heating the already infernal surface. It was a truly hellish landscape, a testament to the violent birth of our world. A catastrophic collision occurred. A massive object, about the size of Mars, slammed into Earth. The impact released unimaginable energy, ejecting debris into space, which gradually came together to form the Moon. This monumental event, known as the Giant Impact Hypothesis, describes the protoplanet Theia's cataclysmic encounter with our nascent world. The force of the impact was so immense that it vaporized vast quantities of rock, transforming it into a massive, glowing ring of debris orbiting Earth. Over millions of years, this swirling ring of molten and gaseous material began to coalesce. Through a process called accretion, countless particles and fragments slowly clumped together, drawn by their mutual gravitational pull. Gradually, from this fiery cosmic dance, our familiar moon emerged, a silent testament to the violent birth of our celestial companion. Initially, Earth was a hellish, molten sphere with intense volcanic activity and asteroid impacts. Over millions of years, the planet began cooling, transitioning from a fiery inferno to a world capable of forming a solid crust. This cooling led to Earth's first solid crust, a foundational step in its geological evolution. Volcanoes erupted, releasing water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases from Earth's interior through outgassing. This volcanic outgassing created Earth's primitive atmosphere, rich in water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane, and ammonia. As the surface temperature dropped, the hot water vapor in the atmosphere began to condense. This condensation led to rainfall that persisted for millions of years on a global scale. These rains gradually filled basins, creating the first oceans. By about 4 billion years ago, Earth's oceans were in place, providing the essential liquid water for life. The formation of these early oceans was pivotal, shaping our planet and creating habitats where life would begin. Earth's early atmosphere was toxic, but gradually balance emerged. Sunlight and Earth's magnetic field helped the atmosphere hold water and shield the planet from deadly cosmic radiation. This became the foundation for the first forms of life. As Earth's core continued to cool and differentiate, the movement of molten iron within generated a powerful, planetary-scale magnetic field. This invisible shield, our magnetosphere, became a crucial guardian. It deflected the relentless solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun that would have otherwise stripped away Earth's nascent atmosphere and its precious water vapor. With this protective barrier in place, the atmosphere could stabilize, allowing for the retention of vital gases and the continued presence of liquid water on the surface. Simultaneously, the sun's energy, once a destructive force, began to drive essential chemical changes within the atmosphere and oceans. These interactions, fueled by sunlight and protected by the magnetic field, created the complex organic molecules necessary for life. Thus, the stage was set for the emergence of the very first life forms, transforming a once barren world into a vibrant, living planet. From a chaotic fireball, Earth transformed into the blue planet full of life. And this story is the beginning of us all. Do you want to uncover the origins of life on Earth? Subscribe now and let's continue this journey back to the roots.